Gentlemen, let's talk about something most men think about but rarely discuss openly: how to make your penis look and feel bigger without surgery. If you've ever glanced in the mirror and wondered how to appear fuller, thicker, or more confident, you are not alone. Many men feel this pressure, especially when comparing themselves or after a partner's comment shakes their confidence. I'm Dr. Nerita, a urologist with 12 years of experience in men's health. Today, I'm going to share practical, evidence-based methods that work immediately without gimmicks or miracle fixes. Before we get into techniques, I want to address something important. Your value is not measured in inches. A healthy relationship is built on mutual respect, trust, and connection, not on size. What one person dismisses, another may find perfect. And research shows pleasure is influenced more by shape, stimulation techniques, and confidence than by raw size. Now, go ahead and like this video, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed advice to protect your sexual health and confidence. Here's the first myth we need to bust: size alone does not determine sexual satisfaction. Many men believe bigger is always better. The truth is, it's not just size, it's shape, blood flow, technique, and confidence. For example, the mushroom-shaped glans is often more stimulating for partners than length alone, because most nerve endings are concentrated near the opening. By understanding this, you can maximize pleasure without relying solely on permanent changes. Over my 12 years of working with men of all ages, I've seen one thing clearly: confidence is a key driver of satisfaction. Temporary, safe techniques can provide immediate, visible improvements, giving both comfort and a psychological boost. Combining science-backed strategies with mindset creates lasting benefits in intimacy and self-esteem. Let's break down the 4 best methods that really work. 1. Using lubrication and pre-intimacy engorgement. Here's a simple one that's often overlooked: proper lubrication and pre-intimacy blood flow biology. A high-quality hybrid lubricant, part water-based, part silicone, adds shine, smooths the skin, and gives the illusion of greater girth. Gentle self-stimulation beforehand plumps erectile tissue, improving fullness when you start intimacy. Emotionally, walking into a sexual encounter already feeling fuller boosts confidence, reducing anxiety. Practically, apply lubricant generously and spend 1 to 2 minutes on gentle arousal to prime blood flow before being with your partner. Retention tip: think of it as warming up your body for performance, just like athletes do before a game. 2. Vacuum pumps, more than a novelty. Many men dismiss pumps as toys, but they work on fundamental physiological principles. Biologically, pumps create negative pressure, drawing blood into the erectile tissue. This temporary swelling increases girth and fullness. Try a small experiment. Suck gently on your cheek for 3 minutes and notice how plump it becomes. That's exactly what a pump does to erectile tissue. Emotionally, immediate visible changes boost confidence and reduce pre-performance anxiety. Practically, apply a small amount of lubricant to prevent friction and use either manual or battery-powered devices only for short sessions to avoid injury. This method is safe, effective, and almost instantly noticeable, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. 3. Grooming. Reveal your natural length. You'd be surprised how much pubic hair affects perceived size. Biologically, hair doesn't change your anatomy, but long, dense hair obscures the base, making the shaft look shorter. Emotionally, revealing more of your shaft increases visual confidence and lets you and your partner appreciate your natural size. Practically, trim or manscape to keep hair neat. You don't need to remove everything, just enough to show your full length. Retention tip: simple grooming produces dramatic visual impact instantly without medical procedures. 4. Manual techniques, gelking and targeted massage. Finally, let's talk about manual techniques that enhance fullness and emphasize the glands. Biologically, using lubricated hands, gently massage blood toward the glands, emphasizing the mushroom shape. Similar to ancient stretching practices, your penile tissue is elastic and responds to controlled, gentle pressure. Emotionally, creating a fuller, plumper tip improves confidence and sexual presence. Practically, grip at the base, push blood slowly toward the head and hold briefly. Never tug harshly or use weights. Done safely, this conditions tissue to respond more fully during arousal. Combine this with pumping and grooming, and you create a stacked effect: fullness, shape, and revealed length, all without surgery. Here's a step-by-step plan for immediate improvements. Lubricate and prime with gentle pre-intimacy stimulation to increase fullness. Pump safely for 2 to 3 minutes with lubricant applied using a manual or battery pump. Grow strategically by trimming pubic hair to reveal the shaft, and use manual shaping with a jelqing-style massage to emphasize gland shape. For daily habits for long-term health, support circulation with exercise and hydration, protect sleep and hormone balance, reduce stress via mindfulness or breathing techniques, and consider natural blood flow enhancers like nitric oxide boosters from watermelon extract, which improve firmness, stamina, and natural size appearance. Gentlemen, remember, techniques work best when paired with confidence and mindset. No partner should make you feel small. Size is one piece of satisfaction. Confidence, skill, and connection matter more. These methods give you visible improvement, a psychological boost, and intimacy readiness. Even small, safe changes can dramatically enhance self-esteem, partner satisfaction, and sexual enjoyment. Let's summarize. Lubrication and pre-stimulation plump tissue and improve shine. Vacuum pumps increase girth immediately. Grooming reveals your natural length. Manual massage emphasizes the glands and fullness. And mindset and confidence amplify every effect. None of these methods require surgery, pills, or invasive procedures, but they produce immediate, noticeable results. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, informed steps can restore comfort, confidence, and presence in the bedroom. If you found this video helpful, like, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed advice for men's health. I'm Dr. Nerita, here to help you take control of your sexual health, confidence, and satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.